This video will show you how to pair your Intermatic ABRA in-wall smart switch directly with popular third-party apps through Matter. Matter is a new industry standard that makes it easy to connect your smart home device with popular platforms like Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings. If you've already set up your smart switch with the ABRA app, there is no need to use Matter. Your ABRA account can be linked to Google Home and Alexa for simple voice control. But if you've already adopted Google or Alexa to manage your smart home devices, you can use Matter to onboard your smart switch directly to your platform of choice. Before adding the smart switch, make sure all devices are connected to a 2.4 GHz capable Wi-Fi network. To pair the smart switch with Alexa, you will need to have a compatible Echo device or similar Alexa hub. On the smart switch, hold down the bottom button for 10 seconds to put it into pairing mode. The blue LED will flash. On the Alexa app, click on the plus symbol at the top right of the screen and choose Device from the drop-down list. At the top of the next screen, there should be a shortcut to add Matter devices. Click on that symbol. If the shortcut is not present, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose Other. On the next screen, choose Matter. The next screen will ask if there's a Matter logo. Tap Yes. It will then ask if the device is powered on. Tap Yes again. Now tap on the bottom of the screen to access your smartphone's camera and scan the QR code. Point the camera at the QR code on the bottom right of the smart switch. Alexa will now look for and connect with your smart switch. This may take up to a minute. It will then connect the smart switch to your Wi-Fi network. On the next screen, choose your Wi-Fi network from the available list and tap Next. It may take up to a minute to connect. After your device has been found and connected, tap Next to proceed. The smart switch will be named First Light on your list of devices. To change the name, tap on First Light and then tap on the gear icon at the top right of the screen. Now choose Edit Name. For this example, we will call it Sink Light because the smart switch controls the lights above the sink. To go back to the Alexa home screen, tap the back arrow at the top left of the screen. To pair your Intermatic ABRA in-wall smart switch with the Google Home app, you will need a Matter-compatible Google Home Hub or similar Google Nest device. On the smart switch, hold down the bottom button for 10 seconds to put it into pairing mode. The blue LED will flash. Inside the Google Home app, press the Add button at the bottom right of the screen. Now choose Matter-enabled device. The app will now activate your smartphone's camera. Point the camera at the QR code on the bottom right of the smart switch. Once scanned, you will need to agree to connect the device to your Google account. On the pop-up screen, choose Add to Google Home. This may take a few minutes. The next pop-up screen will ask you to name your device. For this example, we will keep it the default name and press Continue. Now press Done. The next screen will ask where the device is located. For this example, we will choose Back Door, since the smart switch controls the back door lights. Once connected, tap Done. Your smart switch is now paired and connected to Google Home. To pair your Intermatic ABRA in-wall smart switch to the Apple Home app, you may need an Apple TV device or similar Apple Home Hub to enable remote access. On the smart switch, hold down the bottom button for 10 seconds to put it into pairing mode. The blue LED will flash. On the app, tap the plus symbol at the top right of the screen and choose Add Accessory. The app will now activate your smartphone's camera. Point the camera at the QR code on the bottom right of the smart switch. On the pop-up screen, choose Add to Home. Select your home and then tap Continue. It may take a few minutes to connect. The next pop-up screen will ask for the location of the smart switch. For this example, we will choose Entrance and then press Continue. You will now be asked to name the smart switch. For this example, we will call it Smart Switch and then tap Continue. The next pop-up will ask how you want the device to be displayed. For this example, we will choose Light and then press Continue. When complete, press Done. Your smart switch has now been added to your Apple Home app. To pair your Intermatic ABRA in-wall smart switch with the Samsung SmartThings app, you will need to have a SmartThings compatible hub. On the smart switch, hold down the bottom button for 10 seconds to put it into pairing mode. The blue LED will flash. On the SmartThings app, press the plus symbol at the top right of the screen. On the next screen, tap Add on the Partner Devices section. From the list, choose Matter. The app will now access your smartphone's camera. Point the camera at the QR code on the bottom right of the smart switch. It may take a minute or two to connect to your device. The next screen will ask you to choose your Wi-Fi network. After making your selection, the app will add the switch to your SmartThings app through the hub. When complete, you can choose the location and room for your smart switch and change its name in the app. For this example, we will call it Office Ceiling Light because that is the fixture that the smart switch controls. Press Save. If all information is correct, press Done. Your Intermatic ABRA in-wall smart switch has now been added to your SmartThings app. And if you need help or get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or visit Intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.